you struggling to keep track of your stock, sales, expenses, M-Pesa, and customers who owe you money? Are you wondering where your money is going, what products you need to restock, or whether your business actually made a profit? Managing a business shouldn't have to be this difficult. Today, I am introducing to you a powerful web-based point of sale and a business management system that is designed to help you take control of your business from one central platform. Whether you want to host your system online and access it from anywhere, or you want it installed locally and run it within your business, our POS system is designed to work the way your business works. We have key modules, among them authentication and authorization, where you take control who accesses your system and what they are able to do on your system. The store module. In here, you create product categories, add products, manage your prices, and record sales. Stock management. With this module, you can add stock when new products arrive and remove or adjust your stock when necessary. Market module. Going to the market to restock. This module helps you to make better purchasing decisions. As you make sales, the system keeps track of the product being sold, giving you a clear view of what you need to restock. Instead of asking, what do I need to buy today? Let the sales data help you decide. Lipa Mdogo module. Do you sell products on credit, or do your customers pay gradually before correcting what they are purchasing? With this module, you record these transactions, track customer payment history, and see the history of the items they are paying for. And an exciting thing, we have a mobile app where customers can keep track of their payments and monitor their progress. Fully integrated with M-Pesa payments. Expense tracking. Business expenses can quickly add up. With expense tracking, you can record and monitor your business expenses, helping you to understand where your money is going. Sales summary. With our sales summary module, you can get a view of your business performance. Review your daily sales, monthly, yearly, and sales across different periods. From sales and stock management to expenses, M-Pesa reconciliation, customer payments, and business reporting, your all-in-one point of sale brings the essential tools you need to manage your business in one platform. You could be running a retail shop, electronics business, hardware store, supermarket, or another growing business. Our point of sale can help you stay organized and in control. Get in touch with us today.